Don't be afraid to fail. There's an old IQ test, was 9 dots. And you had to draw 5 lines with a pencil within these 9 dots without lifting the pencil. The only way to do it was to go outside the box. So don't be afraid to go outside the box. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Don't be afraid to fail big, to dream big. But remember, dreams without goals are just dreams, and they ultimately fuel disappointment. You have to work at it every day. You have to plan every day. You've heard the saying, we don't plan to fail, we fail to plan. Hard work works. Working really hard is what successful people do.
Here you can see, I have made this video using just one preset. This preset will work on Premiere Pro 2018 or above versions. Let me show you how to use this preset. Create a new sequence. I am taking Full HD preset. Let's place audio on the timeline.
Don't be afraid to fail. There's an old IQ test, was 9 dots.
Install template. Go to Windows, open Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to import the template. In the 2018 version template, font changing feature isn't available. Place template on the timeline. Trim template like that. Don't use the razor tool to trim the template, otherwise, it won't work properly. Here you can change text, font, text, and text box color.
Don't be afraid to fail.
Adjust template length, so it will sync with voice properly.
Don't be afraid to fail.
Now duplicate the template and place it like that. Add text.
Fail. There's an old IQ. An old IQ test, was 9. Failed. There's an old IQ test, was.
Adjust position and scale from here.
Failed. There's an old IQ test, was 9 dots. 9 dots. 9 dots. Don't be afraid to fail. There's an old IQ test, was 9 dots.
In this way, you can add subtitles in your videos. That's it. Thanks for watching.